A compass is a navigational instrument. The compass is one of ancient China's four great inventions. Between 20 BC and 20 AD, the Han Dynasty in China was the first to employ the compass. The relative orientation of one of the four cardinal directions is shown by a compass. The magnetic field of the Earth is used by a magnetic compass. The rotation of the Earth is used by gyrocompass. Compasses are affected by adjacent ferrous objects or electromagnetic fields. Therefore, they must be rectified and calibrated when used on vessels with a lot of metal such as boats or planes. This is accomplished by the employment of built-in magnets within the compass's casing. The classic navigational compass was in the shape of a magnetic needle floating in a bowl of water. When the Chinese began utilizing a compass for navigation, a dry compass was the first compass that could be used on a boat and did not require any fluids. It was made up of a regular magnetic compass and a three-ring gimbal that held the compass. True poles are indicated by the gyrocompass. As a dampening fluid, modern liquid compasses employ lamp oil, mineral oil, white spirits, refined kerosene, or ethyl alcohol. Rows of winds are frequently printed in colors that will be noticeable in low visibility conditions on maps. On the compass rose, the 8 fundamental points of the compass are commonly depicted in black. Half winds are typically blue or green, whereas quarter wind points are typically red. A Qibla compass, also known as a Qibla compass, is a sort of compass used by Muslims to determine which direction they should face when performing ritual prayers in Mecca. A compass rose is a graphic that appears on compasses. The 4 cardinal directions, as well as the 4 intercardinal directions and even the 8 secondary intercardinal directions, can all be found on a compass rose diagram. North, south, east, and west are the 4 cardinal directions. The cardinal directions north is represented by the letter N on a compass. The cardinal direction south is represented by the letter S on a compass. The cardinal direction east is represented by the letter E on a compass. The cardinal direction west is represented by the letter W on a compass. Northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest are the 4 intercardinal directions. The intercardinal direction northwest is represented by NW on a compass. The intercardinal direction northeast is represented by the letter NE on a compass. The intercardinal direction southwest is represented by the letter SW on a compass. The intercardinal direction southeast is denoted by the letter SE on a compass. The 8 secondary intercardinal directions are north-northwest, north-northeast, south-southwest, south-southeast, east-northeast, east-southwest, west-southwest, and west-northwest. The secondary intercardinal direction, north-northwest, is represented by NNW on a compass. NNE stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, north-northeast, on a compass. SSW stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, south-southwest, on a compass. SSE stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, south-southeast, on a compass. ENE stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, east-northeast, on a compass. ESE stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, east-southwest, on a compass. WSW stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, west-southwest, on a compass. WNW stands for the secondary intercardinal direction, west-northwest, on a compass.